Hasteo BJP haphangni chaitukmung bai thangnai bisiba romui Hasteo belanyo kaham hamsamung angkha hini sakha Kendrani sikla hamkwrai tei thwngmung bedekni montri Anurag thakur. Hasteo jora kisa skango berene phaikya Anurag thakur. Hasteo yakana skang kokthom pandawo manjagui bwkhakgo bisikudungma jorani yakshi bodol hamya thwngrung raidano yakarei hamsamungni lamao thangwi tongo tripura haste.
Scenario the youth particularly, what is the feel about the youth?
See the kind of change the state has seen in the last 5 years, the growth and also the freedom from the left mindset. Look at the peace, look at the development, and youth is looking for the peace and development. And I could proudly say that in the last 5 years, this BJP government has done extremely well, lived up to the expectations of the people of Tripura. The central government has been very kind towards the Tripura as well, Prime Minister Modi especially, whether from the education institute to the healthcare sector, from road to rail to the airport and the air. Now in the field of sports, the Honorable Chief Minister as well as the Honorable Sports Minister both spoke to me. Earlier also we granted some projects like hockey turf to the athletic track and others, football, and we have decided that Tripura requires, they have 8 districts, 8 indoor stadiums, and we are working on that, and that will be sanctioned soon so that every district should have an indoor stadium.
Tripurani hamsamungno bai thangkhlaina bagai montri bwkhakgo modini tuidilmung bai sakthari samungkhlai tongo haste haphangbo haste ni thwngmungno borom riwi bwkhakgo Tripurani thwngmungno kaham khlaina bagai kendra haphangni bwkhakti chubachu rijangnai hinai haste ni joto hangkor kaisa khlai indoor stadium sanamjangnai hinai sakha Kendrani sikla hamkwrai tei thwngmung bedekni montri Anurag thakur. Bureau report Kokkhara.